Good evening, students. Today I am going to discuss about the mutation from this chapter, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. The next content is mutation. So, what is mutation? See, mutation means changes occurs in the DNA. If you take human cell or any plant cell, some of the changes occurs in the DNA. Such kind of changes we are called as a mutation. So, what is mutation? Changes occurs in DNA. So, these kind of changes occurs in the DNA. Such kind of process is called mutation. So, now coming to the mutation, how the mutation will occurs in the human cell. See, now I will take one normal human cell. So, for suppose this is a human cell. So, inside of the cell consists of nucleus. Already you know very well. So, each and every cell inside of the cell consists of nucleus. See, this is called nucleus. Then, inside of the nucleus consists of chromosomes. Commonly, each and every cell in the human body completely it consists of 46 chromosomes. Remember, total how many chromosomes are present in the human cell? 46 chromosomes. See, these 46 chromosomes, how they are arranged means they are arranged as a pairs. So, how many pairs? 23 pairs. So, how many pairs of chromosomes? 23 pairs. How many number of chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. So, each and every cell of our body consists of 46 chromosomes. So, this is a normal cell. This is a normal cell. So, it is which condition means 2n condition. So, 2n means what? Diploid. So, which type of cell it is? Diploid cell. So, diploid cell means same kind of chromosomes, two sets of chromosomes are present. So, diploid means two sets of chromosomes. Chromosomes. So, you have to remember one thing, always chromosomes are pairs. Here 2n means it is a diploid. So, what about haploid? So, n equal to, that means n chromosome is a haploid. So, it is a haploid condition. Haploid means one set of chromosome. One set of chromosomes. One set of chromosomes. Remember that. So, diploid means two sets of chromosomes. Haploid means one set of chromosomes. So, in this diploid cell, suddenly some changes occurs in the diploid cell. So, why the changes occurs in the diploid cell and who is responsible for this mutation? So, majorly the mutations are caused by the some agents. So, mutation. So, mutation is caused by some agents. So there are two types of agents are responsible for the mutation in the cell. So what are the two types of agents means? So these agents are called mutagens, remember, mutagens. So the agents which cause mutation in the cell, such kind of agents are called mutagens. See, these mutagens are majorly two types. What are they? One is physical mutagens. Physical mutagens. And second one is chemical mutagens. Remember? So, two types of mutagens, they are responsible for causing the some mutation in the cell. What are they? Physical agents and chemical agents. So, what are the examples for physical agents? So, what are the examples? Majorly UV rays and gamma rays. So, UV rays and gamma rays, these are more dangerous to our skin. Once the UV rays or gamma rays, when they penetrate into our skin, when reaches into inside of our skin, here the normal cell get mutation. The normal cell get a mutation. That means what will happen? Here abnormal chromosomes are formed. Abnormal chromosomes are formed. So this commonly, first this is a normal cell. See here, the normal cell is converted into abnormal chromosomal cell. So this condition cause cancer disease, skin cancer. So already you know, during the cancer, what is the symptoms of the cancer means, so many abnormal cells are formed as a groups like this. So a group of abnormal cells will form. These abnormal cells finally converted into the tumors. So these kind of tumors we are called as a cancer. Okay, coming to the chemical mutagens. So some of the chemicals which are present in some drugs or some kind of, for example, I will take here a chemical mutagen example is tobacco. See, tobacco consists of chemical substances. So commonly the tobacco consists of one important carcinogenic agent. So which kind of agent? It consists of carcinogenic agent. So this carcinogenic agent which is enters into the normal cell, and it affects on the DNA and genes, then it forms the abnormal cells again here. So these abnormal cells are also responsible for formation of tumors. So this is also called cancer. Okay. So these are the mutagens which are responsible for the mutation. So those are called mutagens. Okay. How the mutagens, either physical or chemical mutagens, they cause damage to our DNA or genes. See here, I will give one example. For suppose first I will take one normal cell here. So this is a normal cell. In this normal cell consists of a normal number of chromosomes. Normal number of chromosomes means for suppose this is a 2n condition cell. 2n means, remember, n equal to 2 chromosomes. 2n equal to how many chromosomes? 4 chromosomes, remember. Why? Always chromosomes are pairs. So this is a normal cell which consists of the normal chromosomes. So in this 2n condition chromosome, due to the physical mutagens or chemical mutagens, so what will happen here means when the cells start to divide, so during the cell division, what will happen here means some abnormal chromosomes are increases in the cell. So commonly this is a 2n cell. When it participate in the cell division, then two abnormal cells. Two abnormal means here one haploid set. N means what? Haploid set. Haploid set. One haploid set is gained by this cell. That means addition of one haploid set. See here, addition of one haploid set. This is the addition of one haploid set. So then it forms total 6 chromosomes. Total 6 chromosomes. Then again it participate in the cell division. It forms 2 cells. So during the cell division, this cell, commonly this is which type of cell? It is 2n cell only. Remember, this is 2n cell. But what will happen here? Addition of n. So actually this is 2n cell, but addition of n, it modified into 3n cell. 3n means how many chromosomes here? 6 chromosomes. 2n means 4. n means 2. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6 chromosomes. 4 plus 2 equal to 6 chromosomes. So this is a abnormal condition of the chromosomes. So like this abnormal chromosomes of the cell, when they are enters into the meiosis division, so for suppose it is a meiosis division, then it forms the 2 cells, 2 daughter cells. So what kind of daughter cells will form here? See what kind of daughter cells will form. So this cell is divided into 2 daughter cells in the meiosis one, for suppose. So here commonly meiosis means what? The parental chromosomes are reduced into the daughter cells, but due to the effect of mutagens, either physical or chemical mutagens, the chromosome number is not reduced. Then what will happen? Each cell consists of 6 chromosomes. So which condition it is? 3n. So these daughter cell having a 3n condition. This daughter cells having a 3n condition. So 2n equal to 2n is a diploid condition, but what about 3n means it is a triploid condition. Triploid condition. So once the triploid condition will occurs in the cell, immediately the abnormal cells or abnormal chromosomes will form. Then these abnormal chromosomes, they are responsible for the cancer disease. So like this also 3n. So sometimes what will happen here means sometimes 4n also will form. 4n. See 4n. How the 4n chromosomes? 4n means tetroid. Tetroid condition. So how the 4n condition will form means the 2n cell, diploid cell, it gain the one more 2n cell, it forms the 4n. 4n means total how many chromosomes? 2n means 4. 2n means 4. Total 8. Like that the number is also increases here. Like this 4n chromosomes is called a tetroid conditions, and here the condition is changes during the mutation. So what is the condition? The 2n, that means diploid cell converted into sometimes triploid, and the triploid cell converted into tetroid. So these kind of changes together we are called as a polyploid. Remember. So polyploid. Polyploid. So what is polyploid means 2n plus n equal to 3n. So again 3n plus n equal to 4n. Like this the 2n is converted into 3n and 3n is converted into 4n. This condition is called what? Polyploid. So why the polyploid will form means addition of haploid sets to the 2n cell. So what is polyploid means addition of haploid sets. Haploid sets to the normal 2n cell. So normal 2n cell, addition of the haploid cells, then finally it converted into the polyploid condition. Okay, this is the major reason for the mutation. So who is responsible for mutation? Mutagens. Okay, once take screenshot. Okay. See, now coming to the mutation, types of mutation. Types of mutation. See here majorly three types of mutations we are seen in the cell. So what are they? First one is called genomatic mutation. First one is called what? Genomatic mutation. And second one is called chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal mutation. And third one is called gene mutation. Okay, the mutation is not a single type. How the mutagens are two types, like that here all types of mutations are not similar. They have some special characters. Based on their characters, they are classified into three types. What are they? Genomatic mutation, chromosomal mutation, and gene mutation. So now coming to the genomatic mutation. What is genomatic mutation means? Changes occurs in the chromosomes. See here, changes occurs in genetic material, that is best, in genetic material. So majorly the genomatic mutation, it consists of majorly two types. So what are they? One is called polyploidy, already I discussed, and second one is called aneuploidy. Okay, polyploidy and aneuploidy. So what about polyploidy means? The cell, the normal diploid cell, it gains the extra chromosomes, that is called as a polyploid. So what is polyploidy? The normal diploid cell gain one or few chromosomes. Remember, so this condition is called polyploidy. What is polyploidy? The normal diploid cell, it gain the one or few chromosomes. This condition of the cell is called polyploidy. But what about aneuploidy? See, aneuploidy means the normal diploid cell, it gain or loss. Remember, it gain or loss one or few chromosomes. So aneuploidy means the normal diploid cell it gain one or few it gain or loss, sorry, it gain or loss one or few chromosomes. See, this is about the aneuploidy. Already polyploidy I discussed. Okay, now coming to the aneuploidy. How the cell it gain the chromosomes or it lost the chromosomes. Now I will discuss. See. See, aneuploidy. See, for example, here I will take a normal cell. This is the normal cell which is in 2n condition. 2n means what? Diploid cell. So, it consists of normal chromosomes. It consists of normal chromosomes. So, during the cell division time, for suppose it lost one chromosome, then the cell consists of, it converted into two cells now, like this. This is one cell and this is another cell, and this one cell is given, one chromosome is given into in this cell, and remaining three chromosomes are given into this cell. Like this, the abnormal conditions of the chromosomes. Here normally normal chromosome consists of how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. Remember, 46 chromosomes. Here what will happen? Here there is no proper segregation of the chromosomes. So in the cell it lost one chromosome here. It lost one chromosome. So normal 46 chromosomes, then the cell lost one chromosome here. 46 minus 1. 46 minus 1. So these 46 chromosomes are which type of chromosomes? That is important. Already you know 22 pairs of chromosomes are autosomes. One pair is allosome or sex chromosomes. So from this here 44 autosomes are present, but there is no two sex chromosomes, one only present. Why here one chromosome is lost in the cell? So 44 plus 1. This condition cells will form here. So due to the loss of one chromosome, here 44 autosomes, only one allosome is present. So this condition of the cell, it causes one disease that is called Turner's disease. Turner's disease. Remember. So when the aneuploidy, if the loss of one chromosome in the daughter cell, it leads to the Turner's disease. So this is about aneuploidy, one type of arrangement. So this kind of aneuploidy we are called as a monozic. So this is called, this kind of process is called monosomic aneuploidy. Then second type of change, that is called nullisomic. So aneuploidy is also not a single type. It is majorly four types. Remember, one is called monosomic. Mono means what? Single. One chromosome is eliminated in the daughter chromosome. That condition is called monosomic condition. Then second type of condition in the aneuploidy is called nullisomic. See, nullisomic means, see here also this is the diploid cell. It consists of the 46 chromosomes. So it is a diploid cell. It is in the 2n condition. When it is participate in the cell division, during the cell division, after completion of the cell division, so here what will happen means two chromosomes are lost in the daughter cells. Here two chromosomes are lost. So here two chromosomes are lost in this condition. This is called what? Nullisomic condition. Okay. Then coming to the third type is called trisomic. Trisomic. During the trisomic, see this is the normal cell and are the normal number of the chromosomes, and during the trisomic what will happen here means addition of one chromosome here. See here loss of two chromosomes. Loss of two chromosomes means 46 minus 2. This is the condition of the nullisomic. But here what will happen in the here addition of one chromosome here. Addition of one chromosome. Normal chromosome number how much? 46. So 46 plus 1 condition. So here also it forms the abnormal chromosomes in the daughter cells. When we observe the here abnormal chromosomes are present in this, see addition of the one chromosome here. See here abnormal chromosomes. So the addition of the one chromosome in the daughter cell, this kind of condition is called trisomic condition. So which kind of chromosomes? 46 plus 1. So this is a abnormal chromosome number. Normal chromosome number is how much? 46. So this condition is leads to and also some of the diseases. So the trisomic condition is also called some kind of syndrome. Okay, coming to the next one. See, this chromosome, it causes the Down's syndrome. Remember, Down's syndrome. Okay, here two types of diseases where monosomic condition chromosomes cause Turner's disease and trisomic chromosome condition cause Down's syndrome. Next, final one is called tetrasomic. In the aneuploidy, tetrasomic. Tetrasomic. See, what is tetrasomic? See, again I will take the normal diploid cell. It consists of the normal chromosomes. So, in this normal chromosome, it consists of 2n condition. So, here what will happen means addition of two chromosomes here. The normal cell, it modified into the abnormal cell. How it modified into the abnormal cell means normal cell having 46 chromosomes and two more chromosomes are added into this cell. See, two more chromosomes. normal number 46 plus 2. So this condition of the cell is called tetrasomic. Okay na? So here aneuploidy is a not single type, it is majorly 4 types. Remember, first one is called what? Monosomic, loss of one chromosome, loss of one chromosome. Second one is called what? Nullisomic. In the nullisomic means loss of two chromosomes, loss of two chromosomes. Remember, then this may be caused the Turner syndrome disease. Sorry, this one monosomic cause the Turner's disease syndrome. Okay, coming to the third one is called trisomic condition. Here what will happen? Addition of one chromosome in the daughter cell. So this condition causes the Down's syndrome. Remember, very important. Monosomic condition cause the which disease? Here Turner's syndrome. And trisomic condition which cause the Down's syndrome. These are the two types of diseases which are responsible for the mutation in aneuploidy. Okay, coming to the tetrasomic means addition of two chromosomes, so then it forms the abnormal cells. So these kind of mutations we are occurs in the cells due to the physical and chemical agents. They are called mutagens. Okay students, are you clear? If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and relatives. Okay, thank you students.